Hello and welcome to English Conversation Club. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mike. Great to be here with you all today.
Mike, what should we learn about today?
Well, Emma, I just flipped my calendar to a new page this morning, and I thought, let's talk about February.
That's a fantastic idea. February is such a special and interesting month.
It really is, and there's so much English vocabulary we can learn from it.
So Mike, let's start simple. What is February?
February is the second month of the year. It comes after January.
And before March, January, February, March.
Here's something interesting. February is the shortest month of the year.
That's right, it only has 28 days.
But sometimes it has 29 days. Do you know when, Emma?
Yes, during a leap year. A leap year happens every 4 years.
Exactly. A leap year is when February gets one extra day.
So instead of 28 days, it has 29.
That extra day is called a leap day, February 29th.
Some people are actually born on February 29th.
Oh really? That's so rare. Rare means it doesn't happen often.
Right, they only get a real birthday every 4 years.
So do they celebrate on February 28th or March 1st in normal years?
It depends on the person. Some pick February 28th, some pick March 1st.
That's funny. Imagine waiting 4 years for your actual birthday.
I couldn't do it, Mike. I love my birthday too much.
Me too, Emma. Okay, let's talk about how to pronounce February.
Oh, this is important. Many English learners find this word difficult.
The correct way is February, February.
But honestly, many native speakers say February.
That's true. Both ways are okay. People understand you either way.
The important thing is to try. Don't be afraid of the word.
Say it with me, everyone. February, February, February.
Great job. Now let's talk about February weather, Mike.
Good idea, Emma. February weather depends on where you live.
In the northern part of the world, February is usually cold.
Very cold. Countries like Canada, Russia, and the UK have winter in February.
You can say February is freezing this year. There might be snow, ice, and gray skies.
It snowed a lot in February. That's a common sentence in many places.
But in the southern part of the world, it's the opposite.
Right, in countries like Australia and Brazil, February is summer.
So they might say February is really hot this year. Imagine going to the beach in February. That sounds amazing.
It does, Emma. Weather is so different around the world.
Here are some useful sentences about February weather.
February has been rainy this year.
I hope February isn't too cold.
February is usually the coldest month here.
The days are getting a little longer in February.
Oh, good one, Emma. In the Northern Hemisphere, days start getting longer in February.
Hemisphere means half of the Earth. Northern Hemisphere is the top half.
So even though it's cold, there's more sunlight. That's nice.
People say I can see spring is coming, even in February.
Spring is just around the corner.
Just around the corner means something is coming very soon.
Great expression. Okay, Emma, let's talk about special days in February.
Yes, February has so many special days and events.
The biggest one is Valentine's Day on February 14th.
We talked about Valentine's Day in another episode. Go listen to it.
But a quick reminder, it's a day to celebrate love.
People give flowers, chocolates, and cards to someone special.
Happy Valentine's Day, that's the phrase everyone says.
What other special days are in February, Mike?
In the United States, there's Groundhog Day on February 2nd.
Groundhog Day, that's a fun one. What's a groundhog?
A groundhog is a small, furry animal. It lives underground.
Furry means covered in soft hair, like a little bear.
On February 2nd, people watch a groundhog come out of its hole.
And here's the fun part. If the groundhog sees its shadow, winter continues for 6 more weeks.
A shadow is the dark shape that appears when light is behind you.
But if the groundhog doesn't see its shadow, spring comes early.
It's a tradition. Tradition means something people do every year because of their culture.
It's not really scientific, but it's fun and people love it.
The most famous groundhog is called Punxsutawney Phil.
Ha, that's a hard name. He lives in Pennsylvania in America.
Thousands of people go to watch him every year.
That's amazing, only in America, right, Mike?
Ha, pretty much, Emma. What other February events are there?
In the United States, February is also Black History Month.
That's very important. It's a time to celebrate the history and culture of Black Americans.
People learn about important leaders, artists, scientists, and heroes.
Schools and communities have special events and programs.
It's a time to remember the past and celebrate progress.
Progress means moving forward, getting better over time.
You can say February is Black History Month in America. Very important to know about.
What about President's Day, Emma?
Oh yes, in America, President's Day is the third Monday of February.
It's a day to honor American presidents, especially George Washington and Abraham Lincoln.
Honor means to show respect and admiration for someone.
Both Washington and Lincoln were born in February.
George Washington was born on February 22nd.
And Abraham Lincoln was born on February 12th.
So February is a big month for American history.
Many people also get the day off work. It's a public holiday.
A public holiday is a day when most people don't work. It's an official day off.
And there are big sales in the shops on President's Day weekend.
Oh yes, President's Day sale, everything 50% off.
Ha, Americans love a good sale.
Everyone loves a good sale, Mike.
True. Now, Emma, there's another big celebration that sometimes falls in February.
You mean Lunar New Year?
Yes, Lunar New Year sometimes happens in January or February.
Lunar means related to the moon. The lunar calendar follows the moon.
Millions of people around the world celebrate Lunar New Year.
Especially in China, Korea, Vietnam, and other Asian countries.
There are big parties, fireworks, family dinners, and red decorations.
Red is a lucky color. People wear red and give red envelopes with money.
Happy New Year, or Gong Zai Fa Kai, if you speak Chinese.
It's a time for family, food, and fresh starts.
A fresh start means a new beginning, starting something clean and new.
I love that idea. February can be a fresh start for everyone.
Absolutely, Emma. Okay, there's one more fun February event.
What's that, Mike?
Carnival. In many countries, Carnival happens in February.
Oh, Carnival, the most famous one is in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro.
People dance, wear colorful costumes, and have huge parades.
A parade is when people walk or dance together through the streets.
There are also famous carnivals in Venice, Italy, and New Orleans, America.
In New Orleans, it's called Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras is French for Fat Tuesday.
It's a huge party with music, food, and colorful masks.
Masks are coverings you wear on your face. They can be very beautiful.
February sounds like a party month around the world.
It really is, Emma. So much happening in just 28 days.
Or 29 days if it's a leap year.
Ha, right. Now let's learn some useful February vocabulary.
Great idea, let's make a list.
Word 1, winter, the cold season. In many places, February is in the middle of winter.
February is a winter month.
Word 2, cozy. Cozy means warm and comfortable, usually indoors.
February nights are so cozy, I love sitting by the fire.
Word 3, hibernation, when animals sleep through the winter.
Bears hibernate, they sleep for months and wake up in spring.
Hibernate means to go into a deep sleep for a long time.
Sometimes I wish I could hibernate in February. Ha.
Ha, me too, Emma. It's so cold outside.
Word 4, thaw. Thaw means ice and snow start to melt.
Melt means to change from ice to water. It gets warmer and things thaw.
The snow is starting to thaw, spring is coming.
Word 5, blossom. Blossom means flowers start to open and grow.
In some warmer places, trees start to blossom in late February.
The cherry trees are starting to blossom. Beautiful.
Word 6, chilly. We learned this before. Chilly means a little bit cold.
February mornings are always chilly.
Word 7, Cupid, the little angel of love, connected to Valentine's Day.
And word 8, leap. Leap means to jump. A leap year has an extra day.
It's a leap year. February has 29 days.
Great vocabulary, everyone. Now let's practice some conversations about February.
Yes, let's role play. Ready, Mike?
Ready, Emma.
Hey, Mike, can you believe it's already February?
I know, Emma. January went by so fast. Time really flies.
Time flies means time passes very quickly.
Great phrase. So, Emma, do you like February?
Honestly, it's not my favorite month. It's usually cold and gray.
I understand, but February is short. It's over before you know it.
That's true. Before you know it means very quickly, without you noticing.
And spring comes right after, something to look forward to.
Look forward to means you are excited about something in the future.
I'm looking forward to spring. Perfect sentence.
Okay, let's do another conversation about February plans.
Sure. Hey, Emma, do you have any plans for this month?
Well, Valentine's Day is coming up. I might go out for dinner.
Oh, that sounds nice, with someone special.
Maybe. What about you, Mike? Any February plans?
I want to start a new habit this month. I want to read more books.
Oh, good for you. February is a great month to start something new.
Since it's a short month, it doesn't feel so hard to keep a habit for 28 days.
That makes sense. A short month means less pressure.
Pressure means the feeling of stress when you have to do something.
Less pressure, more fun. I like it.
Exactly. Now, Emma, let's share some fun facts about February.
Oh, I love fun facts. Everyone loves fun facts.
Fun fact number 1. February is the only month that can pass without a single full moon.
Wait, really? No full moon at all?
It's very rare, but it can happen, because February is so short.
A full moon is when the moon looks like a complete circle in the sky.
Fun fact number 2. The name February comes from a Latin word.
Latin is the old language from ancient Rome.
The Latin word is februum. It means purification.
Purification means to clean or make something pure.
The ancient Romans had a cleaning festival in February.
So February was a time for cleaning and fresh starts. Interesting.
Fun fact number 3. In the old Roman calendar, February was actually the last month of the year.
The last month, not the second.
Yes, the year used to start in March. February was at the end.
Wow, that's so different from today. Things change over time.
Fun fact number 4. February's birthstone is amethyst.
Amethyst is a beautiful purple stone, a gem.
A birthstone is a special gem connected to your birth month.
So if you were born in February, your special stone is amethyst.
And February's birth flower is the violet, also purple.
February loves the color purple.
How it seems like it, Emma.
Fun fact number 5. In many places, February is the snowiest month.
Snowiest means it has the most snow compared to other months.
Even more than January or December in some places.
So if you love snow, February is your month.
And if you don't like snow, well, it's a short month.
Always look at the bright side, Emma.
Look at the bright side means to focus on the positive things.
Great expression. Now let's practice some more useful sentences about February.
Okay, I'll say some sentences. Everyone try to repeat after me.
Slow and clear, here we go.
February is the second month of the year.
Nice and simple, next one.
My birthday is in February.
If your birthday is in February, you can say this. Next.
February is shorter than other months.
Good comparison. Shorter means it has fewer days.
I always forget how to spell February.
That's a very honest sentence, Emma. Spell means to write the letters correctly.
February, February.
That R in the middle is tricky. Many people forget it.
Tricky means a little bit difficult, not easy.
The weather in February is unpredictable.
Unpredictable means you can't guess what will happen. It keeps changing.
One day it's sunny, the next day it's snowing.
That's February for you.
Here's another good one. February always goes by quickly.
Go by means to pass, time goes by, days go by.
Because February is short, it feels like it disappears.
Disappear means to go away, like magic.
February disappeared, it's already March. People say that a lot.
Ha, so true. Okay, Mike, let's talk about February goals.
Oh, great topic. Many people set New Year goals in January.
Goals are things you want to do or achieve.
But by February, many people have already given up.
Given up means they stopped trying.
I wanted to exercise every day, but I gave up in February.
That's so common, but February is a great time to restart.
Restart means to begin again, try again.
You can say, I'm going to restart my goals this February.
February is my fresh start. Remember, fresh start means a new beginning.
Don't be too hard on yourself, be kind to yourself.
Be kind to yourself means treat yourself with love and patience.
If you stopped your English practice in January, start again now.
February is only 28 days. Set a small goal.
28 new words in 1 month. That's amazing.
Small goals, big results. That's the secret.
All right, Mike, let's do our final review.
Great idea. So February is the second month and the shortest month.
It has 28 days, or 29 in a leap year.
Leap year happens every 4 years. February gets 1 extra day.
February weather is cold in the north and warm in the south.
Special days include Valentine's Day, Groundhog Day, and President's Day.
February is also Black History Month in America.
Lunar New Year and Carnival sometimes happen in February too.
We learned vocabulary like cozy, thaw, blossom, hibernate, and leap.
We practiced conversations about February plans and weather.
And we shared fun facts about the month.
February is short but full of so many interesting things.
It really is. Don't let this little month pass without learning something.
That's beautiful, Emma. Practice your February vocabulary this week.
Write a sentence about February in the comments below.
Tell us what you love about February or what you don't love.
We want to hear from you. Thank you for listening to English Conversation Club.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this with a friend.
Every episode helps you get closer to your English goals.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.